You studied all night. By lunch the next day, you have forgotten everything. It could be difficult SAT words such as abstruse or capitulate. Sound familiar? You're not lazy and you're not dumb. You're just using a study method that does not work. That method is called cramming. And today, I'll show you a better study method. It's called distributed practice. It's simple and it's free. Science has tested it for over 100 years. So what is distributed practice? It just means spreading your study time across several days. Instead of one giant session, you do a few small ones. Think about going to the gym. You can't get fit in one 10-hour workout. Your body needs short workouts spread across the week. Your brain works the exact same way. Small sessions over time beat one big session every time. Let me show you what scientists found. Researchers reviewed hundreds of memory studies. They compared two groups of learners. One group crammed all their study into a single session. The other group spread the same study time across different days. Spreading your study out almost always wins. But here's the most powerful part. The scientists found a hidden rule. The longer you need to remember something, the more you should spread out the practice sessions. Okay, let's make this real. Here is how to use distributed practice in 3 subjects. First, languages. Say you have 10 difficult English SAT words to learn. Don't memorize them all the night before. Instead, study for 20 minutes on Monday, review them again Wednesday, then Friday, then Sunday, same words, 4 small visits, and they stick. Second, math. Imagine you have 4 stacks of math practice problems. Don't do all 4 stacks in one sitting. Do 1 stack today. Do 1 stack in 2 days. Do 1 stack in 4 days. Do the last stack right before the test. Each visit reminds your brain how the method works. Third, science. Let's say you're learning difficult science concepts. Learn them today. Quiz yourself in 2 days. Quiz yourself again 4 days later. Why does this work? Every time you almost forget something and then pull it back, your memory gets stronger. It's like lifting a weight for your brain. A little struggle to remember is a good thing. Let's quickly recap. 1. Spread your study across several days, not one big session. 2. The longer you need to remember it, the more you spread out the practice sessions. 3. Quiz yourself each time to make your memory stick. That's it. It costs you nothing but a little planning, and it can seriously improve your grades. This video is based on real published research. You can find the full study right here on screen. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button. It helps this channel make more study skills videos just like this. And if your friends are stressed about studying or tests, share this video with them. Just tap the share button below and send the video to your friends. Now space out your study, and I'll see you in the next video.